You know, every driver knows that awful sinking feeling. You're cruising along, and then that little low tire pressure warning light pops up. But what if you could fix it yourself in just a few minutes, right there on the side of the road? No tow truck, no waiting. Well, today, we're counting down the top 5 portable tire inflators that give you exactly that, total peace of mind.
Just picture it for a second. You're on a back road, maybe miles from the next town, and bam! That dreaded light flashes on your dashboard. Your heart just drops, right? A simple drive can turn into a super stressful situation, just like that.
But what if you had a secret weapon tucked away in your trunk? Seriously, a portable tire inflator is way more than just a gadget. It's like your ticket to being self-reliant. It gives you the power to handle a low tire with confidence and just get right back on your journey.
Okay, let's dive in and find the perfect inflator for you. We're going to kick off our countdown with 2 budget-friendly heroes that honestly pack a surprising punch for the price.
Kicking things off at number 5, we've got a true champion for anyone on a budget.
And that's the Astro AI 20V cordless inflator. We're calling this one the Ultra Budget Hero. Look, if you just want a simple, reliable inflator that gets the job done without costing a fortune, this is absolutely the one to look at.
So let's look at what you get. It can take a regular car tire from totally flat to full in about 4 minutes, which is pretty solid. It runs off a 20-volt battery, so you've got plenty of juice. And that digital display is super clear and easy to read, so you don't have to be some kind of mechanic to use it. It's just perfect for students, people commuting every day, or really for anyone who wants a just-in-case tool in the car.
So here's the deal. Is it built like a tank? Not really. It doesn't have that super rugged feel of the pricey models. But for what you pay, it's an absolute win. It delivers where it really matters, it's reliable, and incredibly affordable.
All right, moving right along. Let's see what our number 4 contender is all about.
Coming in at number 4 is the Avid Power 20V cordless inflator, or as we like to call it, the compact speedster. This little guy is all about being fast and convenient, getting you back on your way in no time.
The first thing you'll notice here is that drill-style grip. It just makes it really comfortable and easy to hold steady while you're using it. It'll fill up a tire in about 3 to 5 minutes. But the real game changer, it's got dual power options. You can use the cordless battery for total freedom, or you can plug it straight into your car's 12-volt port for basically unlimited power. Super handy.
Okay, now we're stepping it up a bit. We're moving into the big leagues with a couple of inflators from brands that, are household names when it comes to quality tools.
Coming in hot at number 3, we have a real workhorse from a legendary brand.
It's the Craftsman V20 inflator. We think this is the best bang for your buck you can get from a major brand. It's that perfect mix of a name you trust and a price that's easy to swallow.
The Craftsman V20 has some pretty impressive specs, like a high max pressure and a great reputation for being accurate. But here's the secret sauce. If you're already in the Craftsman V20 ecosystem, if you already have their drills or other tools, this is a no-brainer. You can share the batteries, which makes it an incredibly convenient and smart addition to your collection.
And now for our runner-up. This thing is a true jack-of-all-trades that takes versatility to a whole other level.
Say hello to the Black & Decker 20V Max Inflator, the undisputed versatility king. This inflator is basically designed to handle any situation you could possibly throw at it, no matter where you are.
So what makes it the king? Check this out. First, you can go totally cordless with the 20V Max battery for ultimate portability. Second, you can plug it right into your car's 12-volt port when you're on the road. And third, and this is the cool part, you can even plug it into a regular wall outlet at home. We're talking sports balls, pool floats, you name it. It's the one inflator that can literally do it all.
Now, of course, with all that power and flexibility comes, well, a bit more size. The Black Plus Decker is a little bulkier than some of the others on our list, but honestly, for anyone who puts versatility above everything else, it's a trade-off that's well worth it.
All right, it's time. The moment we've been waiting for. Let's reveal our number 1 pick, the inflator that really just stands head and shoulders above the rest when it comes to pure power and performance.
And at the very top of our list, the undisputed champion of portable tire inflators
Is the DeWalt 20-volt Max Inflator. This thing is an absolute beast. It's consistently the top choice of professional testers, and you know what? Once you see it work, it's really not hard to understand why.
The DeWalt just crushes it in every single category. The airflow is powerful, the pressure is dead-on accurate, and it's all wrapped up in a package that is built like a tank for the real world. And yeah, just like our number 2 pick, it's got that awesome triple power capability. But its real strength is its muscle. This isn't just for topping off your tires. This is for inflating a completely flat SUV or truck tire on the side of a highway, fast without breaking a sweat. That's power that gives you some serious confidence.
Whew. So, with 5 fantastic options on the table, how in the world do you pick the right one for you? Let's do a quick final breakdown to help you find your perfect match.
This little chart kind of says it all, right? If you want the absolute best in performance and power, you go for the DeWalt, period. If you need something that can be powered up anywhere, anytime, that's the Black Decker, the king of versatility. The Craftsman gives you that big brand trust at a great price. For speed and portability, the Avid Power is your go-to. And if you just want something simple and cheap that works, the Astro AI is the perfect budget pick.
So, which one is it going to be? It really just comes down to what you value most. Do you need a heavy-duty workhorse, a super versatile all-rounder, or just a simple, affordable tool for those just-in-case moments?
Because at the end of the day, a portable tire inflator isn't just another thing rattling around in your trunk. It's an investment in your safety and your self-reliance, and with the right one, you'll be ready for pretty much whatever the road decides to throw your way.